So it closed in 2019. So temporary, yeah. Guess not. Oh, it looks like there's some damage in there, or I don't know.
Yeah, they haven't opened yet.
Please wait to be seated. Oh. They still got their little round. They still got everything in there, don't they?
Nope, not seeing that one now. See that one.
You can't see in this one here?
No,
Oh, sorry. About this one. Is this one promising? No, nothing? Oh. It's not too overgrown like the the one we went to. Yeah. Riser room? What is that? Lots of buckets. Tidy cat. Trashes are full, or at least that one is. Strange tidy cat buckets. Ooh, sunlight is bright. Ooh. Can we see in here? Spider webs. Ooh, is that some ceiling tile that fell down? Look. And then further back?
Yeah.
I think it did. Wow.
Nice.
There's some ceiling tile that fell. I think they had a leak. A leak?
You think they had a leak?
Yeah, look at these spider webs. Man. It's crazy.
Definitely a leak. Now there's one heck of a spider somewhere.
I know, right? Look at these webs. It's crazy.
One heck of a spider somewhere.
They still got the tables. Do they got salt and pepper on the tables too?
Yes.
Yes. Oh, they still got like the creamers and everything on the tables and the ketchup. That's crazy. I don't think it's good anymore.